On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
What's up, MiniTruck? I finally threw something together for you guys. I keep asking what kind of video glasses I use, and yes, full MiniTruck videos at the end, using the video glasses that I'm referring to in this video now. I want to show you guys. These are my favorite of all the glasses. It has like a 120 degree ultra wide angle view. The glasses don't look too dorky. I mean, you could tell there's a camera there, so I'm not going for the hidden camera look. I just want a good video with good audio. These, from brand new, only get about 45 minutes. I'm recording at 1080p, 30 frames per second, which is fine, unless you're doing a lot of action. This will not do to 60. And this does not have Wi-Fi to connect or anything, but I didn't want all that. I just want something simple. Turn it on, record, shut it off, done. Right? Now the only problem with these and any other video glasses that you get is when you put them on, you put them over your ear and put them on your nose where they have to go. Your view of the camera is way higher. It's almost like they're made for bicyclists, where your head is kind of down. The way I correct this is I hang these off the end of my nose a little more, and then I put these high on my head over my ear about an inch. As you can see, like right now I'm using my Android, and you can see my hands. It's because I have a headband that holds my Android, which actually that ends up being the best, but when you go somewhere, you can't really put your Android on your head and walk around, right? Or if you're driving down a road, I guess. If I'm going to go for that, I might as well just put a GoPro. The batteries on these last about a year. Alright, kitty. They get to the point where this thing will only hold a maybe 5-minute charge. So the nice part about some of these is that you can actually charge them or use an external power source as you're recording. And I have an Anchor and like an old jump start pack thing that isn't really worth it for jumping cars, but it does work pretty good for a backup charging source. I have 3 pairs of these. Another problem with these Z-Tronics is that if you close and open the arms on these to put them away each time, there's a little wire for the battery that'll break. So I had one I returned just under the year mark that I had replaced. It's one of these two. You have to buy the clear lenses separate. Sometimes I'd rather have the dark lens because now you know what the video is going to look like, because the camera doesn't have enough to pull out the light really. So what you see with these is pretty much what your video is going to be. If you can't see it good, add a little light. Now I bought these a while back, and these are the iView camera. This is the Rincon, and this adjusts up and down, which is a great idea. And the field of view is actually pretty good, not quite as wide as that. This also has Wi-Fi that you can connect to if you want to download it from an app right to your camera, but you know, Wi-Fi is very slow. So this also flaked out. I have no idea why, but these were my second favorite video glass cameras. Aesthetically, styling wise, I like this style over this, but these are pretty good glasses. I have a wide bridge nose, which is a problem for all of these, so I always end up taking the pad off. They're good, they're waterproof. Now the ones I tried earlier today at the end of this video, they're roughly $60. They're kind of a no-name knockoff. A lot of people are selling them. These are okay. Oh boy, Kitty did a poopy and she goes running away from it. Must have burned this time, huh, Kitty? Uh-huh. Anyway, the battery life is pretty good. Yeah, I guess it'll do about an hour. The only problem I have with these is the field of view isn't wide enough. If you don't have a wide field of view, it makes it very shaky, you know, when you walk and you move your head. And it's hard to locate where you're looking to put these on your head properly. I mounted them like I normally do these, which are high on the ears and a little off the nose. And it seemed like it was a little low. But if you wear them normal, it's a little high. That's because your field of view isn't wide enough. This is the field of view I prefer. That's what these do. That I like better because it doesn't show as much motion. I mean, it's been quite a few years I've been doing this. Nobody has a good set of video glasses yet. I even thought about getting like the police have, you know, the body camera, and they have a little remote camera that you can clip on. I put it on a headset or mount it, you know. You'd think they'd have something better. They do have 4K now, iView, and I believe Z-Tronics, but I don't know if it's going to be any better. I guess I should contact them and try out a pair of those. Oh, another thing. These record in MOV. These record in MP4. But if you look in the manual, it says it records an MP4 on this one, but it isn't. It's an MOV. Now I have a ultra high capacity Series 10 SD card, and all it would do is errors, and it wouldn't play the video. They won't work in here. I had to actually put an old version for it to work. Look at that. What is that? A class 4. Isn't that weird? Same thing with the iView. So, I mean, maybe it's old firmware. It won't work with the newer, better SanDisk. This is my headband set up. As you can see, the higher up on your head the actual lens is, the more of an angle it has to be. But this works good. My S20 on a headband. I do a lot of recording with this. And you can go for hours. Have I tested out many brands of these video glasses? Yes, I have. Here's one I did. I did that for battery. I was trying to do external battery sources so I could just change a battery and go. That's not a Z-Tronics, that's an off-brand. It was a test. This was a set of spy cameras, but the video was garbage, so you'll never even see that video. This is a pair of sport glasses, similar to the ones I just showed you. Off-brand, same video, 60-something dollar glasses. Not wide enough field of view. I like 120 degrees, which I believe is a 90 millimeter. I don't remember. This is the iView case. These must have been, yeah, these are originally for the Z-Tronics. If you guys know of any really good quality video glasses that I could try out, I'll gladly buy them. Send me information on it. I've tried a lot of them. If you know of a company that wants someone to test out some of their video glasses, I don't really want any body thing. These are just so convenient when you're working with your hands. I mean, this works the best. Nothing really beats a good quality smartphone for recording, especially my Android. Sorry, iPhone guys. If you have any suggestions, beside putting a GoPro on my head, and while they are pretty good, I just rather have sunglasses because they're just so much more convenient, especially when I'm out doing stuff. So let me know. Comment below.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
What's up, MiniTruck? Yes, I remembered to turn the battery off. Weather's getting nice. Selling my razor. Nobody uses it, including me. Yeah, I know it'd be good for Florida, but I don't have much room down there. I could pull it down with the trailer that I bought, that I keep it in. I think I might end up wanting a quad down there. Maybe I'll get a Chinese quad to test out. I still have that rear wheel cylinder leak. It stops for a while and then it starts once in a while. I really only have to add maybe every 5 months. Not often. Not often at all. That's why I haven't fixed it. And most of the time you don't even see the leak on the ground. This time it did. I don't know why. Right hand life. My Corvette's going next, boys. Something else that just sits there and doesn't get used. Oh no, 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 no. Doesn't run! Jeez. Ready to lay on the horn. No, I'm not speeding.
A few moments later.
Look at that crazy guy. Wow. Wow, no blinkers, nothing. That's crazy.
To the principal's office.
Bend over.
Couldn't wait to light up. Smoking by the gas pump.
Everybody knows that.
Smoking ain't allowed at the gas pump.
Should have shot some of this over there.
I'm afraid that we owe you an apology.
Now maybe you'll see my side of things.
Oh, you're thirsty, Minnie. There. Now you're full. What'd you get? 8 gallons. Yeah, you were thirsty. Minnie's got a full belly. Someone recognize you, Minnie? I'm here from the fire department. Good. What are you doing with that fire going? Where's your permit?
The fireplace.
A few moments later.
Take the back road, Minnie? Alright. Maybe we can spot Dumpy. Dumpy's back here, remember? What's up?
What's happening?
The road's still closed?
You know the road's still closed down? Oh yeah.
Is it still closed off?
April 1st.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
I was coming, I just saw the sign, I was like, damn, I gotta turn around.
Yeah.
Take it easy. Road's closed, Minnie. Oh, I guess he didn't make it. Jeez, he's like dumber than a chicken. Always fun, MiniTruck. What's up, MiniTruck? Trying out some new video glasses. My Z-Tronic ones, the batteries died on both my pairs. They'll only record for like not even a minute, and then one of them finally just plug it in. I think something screwed up in there because it won't even charge anymore. So that stinks because I was using an external battery pack for a while. So these I bought a while back as a backup, but they're only like $60 something, so they're like half the price of the Z-Tronic. So let's see how they work out. So if this card does work and it records properly, you'll be seeing the video off of it. Of course, I'll be putting a link down below and on MotoCheez.com. Make sure we didn't lose the load, Minnie. No, cardboard's still there. Get some sandwiches from my favorite sandwich bacon store. Hey, buddy.
Hi, buddy.
MiniTruck. Big sandwiches. These guys do the best sandwiches. Did a little test indoors. It worked pretty good. Looked not bad. I've tried so many camera glasses. My favorite are the Z-Tronics, but I only get about a year out of them. If it works out good tonight, I had a carburetor sent to me for cheap. Gotta finish that video. Hopefully these work good. Thanks again, MiniTruck. So what do you guys think? The cheaper glasses, I don't really like them. I don't like the field of view. It's just way too close. The video is actually pretty good. The audio's okay. I mean, the dampening's way too slow. It doesn't come back in time when there's a real loud noise. But the video's decent. Let me know what you think. I guess I'll search, see what's out there, and if nothing's really good, I'll have to go back with the Z-Tronics. Thanks for watching.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.